So in Salesforce, when we need to build on report, so we have a tool known as Report Builder. Report Builder is nothing. When we come to Report tab and when we click on New Report, the steps which we need to perform is simply known as the Report Builder. So it's a visual drag and drop tool which we use to create new reports or customize the existing one. Okay. In case you don't see this Report tab, you know what you can do. You can go to this plus sign and you can find the remaining tabs here. I have my report tab here. So there could be a scenario wherein we don't see the tab here. So you can go to the plus sign and you can customize your tabs from here. Okay. So here we have customize my tab. Once I click on customize my tab, so I can move the tab from here or I can move the tab up and down. So let's say my report is right now here. So I can move it up. I can bring the dashboard with it as well. And click on save. See, now report has come here. To create a report, we go to report, and here in the left hand column we have all the folders for reports and dashboard, because in Salesforce the access level are specified on the folder and folders help you to organize the reports. So these are some standard folders. You can create your own custom folders as well from here. Okay, so whenever you need to save a report, you need to save it into a folder. Now here, to create a new report, you need to click on new report from here, and then the first thing which you need to do is select the report type. So this is some standard report types which are available. In the future video we will see how to create custom report type and use that as well. So this is the first and primary step. Report type is nothing. Report type means the objects which you will be using, basically the objects on which the report will be built, because that will help Salesforce to understand what all fields should be available for that report. Okay, so the object on which you will be building your report, only those the fields of those objects can be available in the report. Okay, so here you have accounts and contacts. Accounts, you can create a report on account. You can create a report on contacts and accounts. You will have fields of both contacts and accounts both. So here you will find objects and their related objects as well. So let's say I click on accounts here, and then I will click on create report. Okay, so here when we click on create report, we go to this interface. Now here we can specify a report type. We have 4 report types: tabular, summary, matrix, joint, and we will see all of them one by one. And here we have all the fields of the object which we have selected from here. Now if you want to report types are sometimes, as I told you about custom report types, when we need to report on multiple objects which are not available in the standard report types. But a lot of time people also use custom report types to limit these number of fields which are seen here. So a lot of people find it too confusing to have so many fields. So what the client asks us for in the project, that build a custom report type so that I don't see these many fields, so that it becomes easier for me to find my respective field and drag and drop. Okay, now here all fields, if you go to this one, it will show only the text fields. If you go here, it will show only the number fields. If you go here, it will show only the date field. Okay, click on all, back, click on no thanks. Here you can apply your filters to limit the data, and here you could select your report format. If you want a tabular report, if you want a summary report where we can summarize on rows. In matrix report we can summarize on rows and columns both. In joint report we can have different report types in one report. Okay, so we will see all those things how they work. So basically, to start working on reports, you need to go to the report tab to access the report builder. You need to click on new report. If you want to have your own custom folder, you can create a custom report folder from here. And if you want to access any of the reports which are already available, because Salesforce gives you lots of reports out of box already available to you, like lead reports. So lead history report, lead status, these reports are already available to you. Don't need to get them built by anyone. And if you want to make some changes, you can make changes from to this reports only. Okay, so if you can run report, right now I don't have much data in my Salesforce org, so it is giving you blank. See, here we have save as. So if you click on save as, it will ask you to select the folder and new name and all, sorted by, grouped by. Let's see any other report if we have any data in one of the reports here. Okay. So if I want to make so this is a standard report provided by Salesforce. If I want to make some changes to this report and modify it according to our need, or I can simply use this to clone. I can click on save as well. So by going to customize, I can change the report type, change the fields, or if I want to clone, I can simply click on save as from here. So there are a lot of standard reports which are already available to us. If we go to different sales report, opportunity reports, administrative reports, then reports related to campaign, the marketing reports. Okay, how many campaign leads were generated, how many campaign members are there. These kind of what revenue did a campaign brought. So campaign revenue reports are here.